for Royal Racing State of Origin. The boys S15, we just put a new turbo on this car. Previously had a G42 1200. We've just gone over to the 7880 from TurboSmart. So the first TurboSmart turbo we've used. So yeah, we should see how this goes in comparison. I think it's a little bit bigger turbo than what was currently previously on the car, but yeah, sort of need a little bit more. We're sort of running out of turbo a little bit in the last setup. So we're here today, we'll run it up, we'll see how it goes. I think it's around 45 pounds of boost in this car. Very, very basic combo. So it's got camshafts, springs, rods, stock caps, stock mains, stock pistons, head gasket, and some CR625 studs. So very little effort, I guess, in this engine, but it's been a cracking package, and I think we'll see how it goes today. But we haven't touched this car for a while, so just having a look at it, see how it goes. Still lovely. The boys look after it immaculately, which is nice. One of my favourites. It's TE37s all around, so that's a cracker. 15 to the back. Big brakes on the front. To me, it's probably one of the ultimate street cars. Add aircon to this thing and we're away. We'll just do gate pressure to start with. So pretty much what gate pressure is, the no duty cycle on the gate, and then up to where we're at. We've got a boost by gear scenario too. We're going to try that out. So we might try some way to run on the dyno as well. 1 to 3. It should be it should be pretty straightforward. So it's easy. It works and just confirms what we already know, I guess.
What do all those numbers mean, Stuart? I don't understand.
730. So it's down on power, but we'll suss it out in a little. Like 730.
All I've noticed is that this turbo does come on
Way later.
gradually later.
Way later.
Yes. It's not as instant.
So it's like 30 pounds as well.
Yeah.
It's fast.
30 pound would
Is the air no good up right in front of the block?
Maybe that's where there's like a smaller frame. Maybe it needs more boost. It's just, I was just more like, I thought it made more than that. But that's a good game for 6 pounds. What's that? It's like 850 now. It's like 850 now.
30 amp down.
Yeah. No, it's a yeah.
30 amp down to 850 now.
How's 38 now?
Maybe it's just the turbo.
The turbo.
Okay.
It's like 7,300 RPM, so it's just holding.
But it's just holding, but it's just going flat and low.
I think ram air is probably a big factor. Not quite getting the power that I thought had from it. I think it's a smaller frame turbo. I think that's the problem with this one. Or not the problem, I think that might be the thing with this. It's definitely not bad by any means, but it's just one of those things that didn't expect it to do. I didn't expect that, I guess. I'm gonna like learn what it wants to, like I'm just trying to find a run from the other day to compare it, you know what I mean? Like, so we had this car was on the street that it was like street tuning it from so the previous turbo we had 46.5 pound of boost in it. So like a lot. this is, but I generally thought it was going to be. I probably had high expectations, to be honest. 16 degrees of timing, which is very small, babyish, but so I've done a 20 pound hit, a 30 pound hit, or 30.9 pounds, a 31 pound hit, and a 38 pound hit. But probably that boost, it was sort of like where that boost actually came in. Yeah, so like even I think realistically it's 35 pound at that run, so we are losing. Like it's still. I don't know. I don't think it's the right choice. It just seems a little different to what I guess I expected.
So you're going to have a run with the turbo guard off?
Take the turbo guard off, but the other day we made 47 pounds of boost, and today we're making 38 pounds. So I just want to see if it's a real difference or not, and we'll go from there. But I think, yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I don't know.
It's just a little bit more information for you, really, isn't it?
That's pretty much what I'm doing it for now. It's just like that bit of information. But yeah, everything's strong. The car's strong. So
Sweet.
We'll see how it goes.
Let's run it up.
So we made an extra
What boost that make?
100 kilowatt.
Hey?
Made an extra 100 kilowatt without the turbo guard.
100 kilowatt.
Extra.
So what's that equal roughly in horsepower?
That's right under 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, so that's 954 horsepower. The only thing, like, I think, so the takeaway is still obviously, that's crazy, obviously, for that to happen, but I still think the turbo isn't as good as a Garrett. That's obviously without back-to-backing, but just knowing this car and tuning this car previously. We're done. So that's what it made. 32 pound.
Yeah.
Made 840, so 632 kilowatt. So this needs 6 pound more boost to make the same number.
So the turbo's just not as efficient, it doesn't feel like?
No, I don't know. So that was 46 pound of boost and 954. The autos do draw a lot out of the car, but it's very interesting. That's very interesting to actually, and like that's a like for like. Like we haven't. There's no timing map change. There's no fuel map. Obviously fuel map, a few changes, but it's like that was richer. That's the richest run we've had yet. And it felt good. The 7,500 RPM came on harder with the turbo cut off. That's so. I don't know if how do we show it? It's 8 pound of boost that turbo cut was worth. So we took it off with 8 pound of boost. Crazy. That's obviously where the power comes from. With more boost, but we could get the same amount of boost. We just got to put more duty cycle on. So it's more of it's like a session for us just to like show. Okay, that's what it was. It's take the turbo cut off. That's what it makes. It's pretty cool to see. Interesting result. I think so. We went from a 42 1200 turbo, which was a 72 mil, I think it is. Now this is a 7880, but TurboSmart have a smaller frame dimension, I think, around their turbos. Not 100% sure, but it was good to try it out. Went 950, but it's quite high boost. It's 46 pounds, so not sure. Obviously, we could have a lot more timing and all that stuff and all those bits and pieces, but it is a very relatively stock engine, like we said. There's real no point to try and slam it in there and see what it makes. It's a fast car at the track, boys enjoy it. Obviously, like I said before to Nick, it's more if you're blazing tyres at 700 horsepower or blazing tyres at 1200 horsepower at the same time. So Cool car, cool result. It's a new turbo, so we haven't used one before. This is the first one. We'll give TurboSmart some feedback what we think, and yeah, we'll go from there. Stay tuned. This car will be at all the COTS events, all the roll racing events. The boys love it. Rear-wheel drive, so we'll get some new shocks for it and have set up a little bit. It'll be good. But yeah, Sydney, we're back. We're back in Sydney. Haven't been here for a while. It's been cool. State of Origin tonight, so it's going to be fun. Let's go.